morning students, myself Bina Tripathi. Welcome to your online class. See students, this is your environmental studies part 1 textbook of standard 5. Today I am going to explain you in civics chapter 7. Let us solve our own problems. See students, previous chapter 6 we have already done rules are for everyone. That means rules and regulations are for everyone. And in this chapter we are going to discuss about that. Let us solve our own problems. That means how we will solve our own problems. See students, can you tell what problems can you identify from the following picture? So see students, that means in this picture what you will identify that. See in the first picture, what the girl is saying that in the first picture. See students, my area gets water only twice a week. That means what she is saying that in which area she is living, that area, that means water is coming only twice a week, means only 3 times in a week. So see students, in first picture what you are understanding that means there was a water problem because water is very less, because in a week only 3 times water is coming. So that place water problems are there. Okay students. And in the second picture see that the garbage has piled up. Piled up means what students? To heap in abundance, means ek ke upar ek. So see the picture, can you see that? The garbage has piled up. I have to walk to school with my nose covered. So what that boy is saying that garbage has piled up, totally piled up, okay? Then I have to walk to school with my nose. That means I am walking to school covered with my nose. And that's why this place what problems are there? That means garbage problems are there. There will be lots of, that means see that, can you see that garbage problems are there, okay? In third picture see that I feel like riding my bicycle to school every day, but there is no bicycle track. So see students, what that girl is saying that, so what she feel that riding my bicycle to school every day. So she want to that ride bicycle every day, okay? But what problem she is suffering that there is no bicycle track was there, okay? And that's why she is finding very difficulties. And last picture see students, that means my father has to visit the taluka place every day for some disputes over land. So what that boy is saying that means my father had to visit the taluka place every day. That means father was visiting every day, okay, for some dispute, means some problems, some disputes are there over the problem. That's why, that means father was visiting to taluka every day. So say what we are finding that in this last picture that there was a disputes, some fights are there over the land. That's why that boy father was visiting the taluka place every day. Okay students. So this way say that all these other problems are there. Okay students, that means you have to identify, okay students, by seeing the picture. Okay students. In civic life, so see students, problems in civic life. Issues means what student? That means problems. We encounter many problems in our civic life. So see students, we face or we experience many problems in our civic life, okay? These problems cause us inconvenience. So see students, so these problems causes us inconvenience, means what? Trouble, difficulties. Sometimes our life is thrown into disorder. So see students, if we turn a blind eye towards problems, they become worse. So it is best to solve them in time. So see students, whatever problems are there, we have to find out that, and we have to try on that time only. And if we are neglect them, what happen that they become worse. And so what is important students? Us, that means we have to find out the problems on the time and we have to try to solve the problems. Okay students, not to neglect them. The problems faced by people in cities and villages can be called problems or issues in civic life. So see students, you know that in cities what problems we are facing that? We are facing that water problems, light problems, okay students, and pollution problems, okay, air pollution, noise pollution, okay. So the sound pollution, that means we can say that. And this way, that means all these problems we are facing where? In the cities, and also that it was totally overcrowded cities are there. So all these problems we are facing in the cities, okay, and village also we are facing the water problems, all that. So see students, it is important to be able to identify such issues. And see students, what is very important are there. So we have to identify such issues, problems. One person alone cannot solve such problems. They can be solved through everyone efforts and cooperation. And see students, if one person can think that they will solve the problems, it will not happen. So for that we need come together. That means we need in a unity, and if all peoples come together, if they join in a unity, and then only the problems will be solved. And see, so everyone's efforts and cooperation is must. So everyone if try their best, if they hard work, efforts means if they try hard work and cooperate with each other, and when there will be unity, then only our problems will be solved. And if there will be no unity, students, the problems will be not solved. So what is importance are there? We have to come together and try to solve our problems. Okay, students? Solving dispute. Disputes means our students fight. Disputes arising over various issues in our towns and village can also be a problem. As say students, and because of that disputes, it was also arising over various issues in our town and as well as in village. Okay, and that can also be a problems. The well-being of a village is affected by constant disputes. As see students, constant means what? Which are continuous fights will be there or disputes will be there. So it will also affected. Okay, students, and that's why disputes create lots of problems, whether in the town or in village. It leads to loss of unity and obstruct the progress of the village. And see students, because of that disputes what happened that, so it will lose the unity. There will be no unity. Okay, and which place the disputes will be there, progress will not happen that village. Okay, the progress will be totally obstruct the progress of the village. Okay, students, if the disputes are not serious, they can be solved locally by speaking to the parties involved. And say students, that means if disputes are not very serious, that it will solve easily. But if disputes are very serious, so it will not solve easily. Okay, students, and this way, if the disputes are not serious, they can be solved locally by speaking to the parties involved. Okay, we have to solve that problems. However, if the disputes is not solved in this way, it has to be taken to the appropriate bodies or to the court. And this way, students, if that means problems, fights are not solved or disputes are not solved, then what happens that it has to be taken to the appropriate bodies or the court. Okay, students, and that's why try to solve our disputes. Okay, it just depends on that. If it is not serious, it will solve. If it is serious, so it will not be solved. Okay, students, and say students, do you know totally cancel? I have marked with pencil. No need to read this. Okay, students. Problem solving. Have you heard about these attempts at solving problems? Are you heard, students? See that Hivre Bazar, in the village of Hivre Bazar in Ahmednagar district. So that place water shortage was a big problem. Okay, students. Let me see students, in Hivre Bazar, that is in the village of the Hivre Bazar in where? In Ahmednagar district. Okay, that place water shortage was a big problem. Means their place water was not there. So water is very less. Okay, why it is water problems are there, students? That means which place rainwater is less, that place water will be less. And so students, you will face problems of water. Okay, students, and see that these problems was solved with the village and participation of the villager. And see how these problems are solved, that because these problems are solved with the help of the participant, means that place villager, they participated with each other, and the problems of animals feed was also solved. And this way, students, you know that what animals are eating, they are eating that feed. That means you know that chara means grasses are there, so that they are eating. Okay, so that was the animals feed was there. Okay, and this way the problems of animals feed was also solved, because if rain problems are solved, automatically that grass will grow and grass will eaten by the animals. Okay, and this way the problems also solved. Now Hivre Bazar has a lush greening surrounding, and now that place, students, you know that place, every place there was a greenery was there. Every place there was a trees and grass, all these are there, and the water problems are totally solved. How it is possible, students? Because all the villagers are come together and they participated with each other, and they work very hard, and this way this Hivre Bazar water problems are solved. That was very big problems are there, but it was solved by the villagers. Okay, students, and this is what I have to say about that students, if there will be unity, if there will be cooperation will be there, automatically our problems will be solved easily. Say that many villages face water shortage, find the reasons for this and suggest solution. And see students, that means there are so many villages are there, they are facing the water problems. Okay, so find the reasons why this happens and for this and suggest solution, and you have to suggest your solution. Okay, students, and that will be what we say about in the Hivre Bazar, how that people are come together, how the villages are come together, and how they solve the water's problems. Okay, students, and this way this was the problem solvings are there. Okay, students, is through Shramdan. So see students, Shramdan means what? That means we can say that volunteer contribution involving physical efforts. They are doing the work without money. They do the work. Okay, students. The people of Khudawadi village in Usmanabad district clean their village through Shramdan. And see, students, the people of Khudawadi village in where? In Usmanabad district. They clean their village through Shramdan, through work hard or volunteer contribution of labor. Okay, without money, they do the work. Okay, they decided that everyone should help in cleaning the village. And what they decided, students? Each and every person decided that everyone should help in cleaning the village. First, the wastewater was dealt with, and what they have done, student? First, what are the wastewater was there? Dealt with means that means they give out. And afterwards, the garbage was used to make manure using vermiculture. And see, student, what are the garbage are there that were used to make manure using vermiculture? You know, fertilizers, urea, khad. Okay, so that they use for that garbage. And a toilet was built in each house. And see, students, each and every house a toilet was built. Okay, and this way the people of Khudawadi village in Usmanabad district cleaned their village through Shramdan. Okay, students, or we can say that voluntary contribution of labor. Okay, students. Gadge Baba used kirtan to stress the importance of keeping the village clean. And see, students, you heard about the Sant Gadge Baba. Okay, so Sant Gadge Baba used kirtan to stress the importance of keeping the village clean. And see, students, he told the people that we cannot make progress without cleanliness, education and self-reliance. And see, students, what he told to the people? That we cannot make progress, okay, without cleanliness, okay, education and self-reliance. All these are very, very important. He showed people how to clean the village through his own action. And this is, students, he showed people how to clean the village, okay, and through his own action. So first he has done cleaning the village, and this way he showed people how to clean the village through his own action. Rashasant Tukoji Maharaj explained the importance of cleanliness through his Gram Gita. And see, students, Rashasant Tukoji Maharaj also explained the importance of cleanliness through his Gram Gita. Okay, students, so see the picture of that Sant Gadge Baba and Rashasant Tukoji Maharaj. Okay, students, newspapers carry several articles about Shramdan. Collect this article, discuss the things that can be achieved through it. And see, students, you read the newspaper, okay, and newspaper carries several articles are there about what? About Shramdans. So to collect these articles and discuss the things that can be achieved through it. Okay, see the first questions are there, students. Do you think that there should be a group of peacekeeper in your school? So see, students, what is your opinions are there? What is your views are there? So what do you think that there should be a group of peacekeeper in your school? So see, peacekeeper means what? A person who maintain peace, just like monitor. If monitor in the class I will be there, that there will be a student will not make any noise. Okay, students. Next question, see that what criteria will you use to select these peacekeepers? So see, what will the criteria be there? You will use to select these peacekeepers. Okay. Third question, which rules will you include in the rule book for these peacekeepers? That means which rules will you include? That means your opinion will be must. Fourth question, what methods should peacekeepers use to solve your disputes? And see, students, that means what methods the peacekeeper are showing, that means used to solve your disputes, means arguments, fights, all that. Okay. And fifth question, how did you understand that disputes can be solved peacefully? And see, students, how did you understand that disputes can be solved peacefully? Okay, students. So it is that means in this your view and opinion will be needed. Okay. Afterwards, for a society to be peaceful, the basic needs for all of its section need to be met. Okay, students. So for a society to be peaceful, the basic needs of all of its section need to be met. So if they are getting their basic needs, automatically they will be peaceful. Okay. Each person must get the necessary security. The exploitation in society must stop. And see, students, if exploitation will be stopped, automatically there will be peace. Inequality must decrease, and there should be no inequality. Every place should be there, equality will be there. Everyone must have the right to participate in public life. And see, students, each and every person have the rights. They can participate in public life by learning the importance of peace, and by using peaceful method, we can create a peaceful environment in our family, school, and community. And see, students, what is the importance are there? So we have to, that means if there will be inequality will be decreased, okay, and every person have the right to participate in public life, okay, and by learning the importance of peace and by using peaceful method, So we can create a peaceful environment in our family also, in school also, and community also. And this way it is very, very important. Okay, students? Students, do you know totally cancel or market pencil? No need to read this. Okay. And see students, always remember also cancel or market pencil. No need to read this. Okay, students? In this topic, what we have learned, some points are there. First point, everyone has a responsibility to solve problems in civic life. Okay, so each and everyone has a responsibility to solve problems in our civic life. Second point, problems can be solved if everyone cooperates. Yes, if everyone cooperate, if there will be unity will be there, automatic problems will be solved. Third point, dialogues and discussion can help solve dispute. And see students, if your dialogue and discussion will be good, if you talk properly, and if you respect each other, okay, and if your dialogue and discussion will be proper, it will can be help solve the disputes, means arguments or fights. Afterwards, next point, disputes can be solved peacefully. And see, whatever the arguments are there, fights are there, how it will be solved? Through peaceful way. Okay, if there will be peace, automatically the problems will be solved. If there will be no peace, problems will be not solved. And this way, student, disputes can be solved peacefully. And afterward, that means second last point, if there is a peace in the family, school and society, it will benefit to each and everyone. So there should be peace in the family also, in school and society, and that will really benefit to each and every person. Okay, students, and last point, peace is a social value. And say peace is a social value. Okay, students. Exercise question number 1, fill in the blanks. Question number 2, answer in one sentence. Question number 3, answer in shorts. So see students, all these are the assignment I am giving to you as your homework. You have to write this in your notebook and read this lesson twice, 2 times properly. I hope that you understood this lesson. Thank you.